in the previous video guys, we learned about the headings and paragraph tags, and in this video we will learn about the images and links, how to insert them in our HTML. So let us make the tude4.html. And one more thing to keep in mind is this video is very important because links and images are always in a website. So let's name it links and images. So to add a link we need to have a anchor tag. So to have anchor tag you have to just type a and use the emit abbreviation and we get this code. So this piece of code is known as anchor tag. So in this href means that the link which we want to target, let us say we want to target https google.com if you want to target that. So now this distance is where we write the thing which we want to have. The say I have written Google here, so let me open my live server here and come here. So you can see that it is Google here. So it is because of this. The thing I will write here has the link of Google, so I can hit this and I will get it over to Google. So this is the thing. So we made shortcuts, Control D to copy lines down. So I will copy that and made it Facebook and Twitter. So this is only for your understanding. So now you can see this, I can go to Twitter or I can go to Facebook or I can go to Google. Okay, so now we know how to go to a specific place. But what if we want, like, I also want that this link opens in a new tab, but we need to do in this way. But what if we want that on clicking it opens on a new tab? So there is an attribute. So first let me talk about what is attributes. So this is a head tag, this is a body tag, and this is a means anchor tag, and href is an attribute. Okay, so it is an attribute. These are character set is also attribute, lang or language is also attribute, name, content, these are attributes. So attribute that we use here is target, and we write here blank. So you can see this, we have typed hash blank, and by this our Google is opening in a new tab. That's good. So let me replicate all this in the other as well because they are also equally important. So you can see now if I'm only clicking on this, so it is opening in a new tab. Good. So this was all of the anchor tags. So we use the anchor tags for having a link. So now in this way we can add our links. So now let us know how to add images. So I will write adding images. So to add images we have to simply type img and hit enter. There are many such things, but we need only img. Now there is two attributes. The image tag has two attributes, src and alt. So src is the image URL, or if it is in local, and alt is the text which will be displayed if the image is not there. So what do I mean by local? I say that if it is on your PC, then you have to write. So say I want to have a file name as yash.jpg, and that file needs to be here, but you can see there is no yash.jpg. So what I will write in the alt text, will be displayed. So I will write only Yash. So let us see here, and you can see it is Yash. It means that the image is not loaded because we don't have that image simply. So all text is displayed only when the image is not loaded. So I want to make you go to a website. Um, it is I think Source Unsplash something. Source Unsplash. Yeah, this is the website. So in this website, here they have given this URL. So they what they have read, they have a number of random images in this way. So they have a number of random images. You can see this. Oh my god, this is looking good. I love this image. So here is a Google, Facebook, and so this in this way you upload any image. Okay. So we pasted this URL and I've got that image. So if I reload this, you can see the images changed. So they have a random set of images which change. So it is our ground, then it is our plane, then cook. So you can see this. So this is a source on splash. Here you can specify some things like nature and water. So if you want like to specify something, let us try to have some nature. Let us see if we can get we couldn't find that image. Okay, oh, don't worry. Nature, water, let us see if it's working or not. No, it is saying error loading image. Means that they don't have that image, but most of the cases they have the image for image. Okay, so these are a random set of image. Oops, I think I pasted the wrong URL, so it is in this way. So here source on splash, then this is the width, and this is a nature question, nature and water. So if you go here on our website, here is nature and water. So if I reload this, yeah, wow. So they are nothing but the collection of random images which are available free on internet. So in this way you can add the web image links in your website. So we know now how to add images from web as well as from it if it is here, but there is no, you have, if you want that some image come, then you have to just drag and drop. Say I want this image, I have to go in this way. So here I have to copy this here. So now it is this. So this is a big name. I will name it yash.jpg because we have a file yash.jpg. So if we go here, no, I have not linked that yet. So if I change it from here to this thing, only like you see it was slash. So now you can choose anything. So we need yash.jpg. So if I go here, you can see this, the image is here only now. So the image is here. Okay, so in those, so this way you are able to include local images which are present in this section, but you can also include the files using an anchor tag in this. So so say if we want to add our this file, so what you can do is just go in this file in this tut4 and use another anchor tag, and in href hit slash and choose the tut3.html. so if you go there, oh, we doesn't have added with the this. So if we write tut 3 here, and then I will also like to add the target blank here. So if I go here, then I click on tut this, so you can see this has opened. So in this way you can open these things. So if you want, you can add some. So I have told you that you can use the VS Code functionality, Alt plus clicking to make multiple cursors, and use BR in these places. It's done. So yeah, this is looking much better. So in this way, we use the source Unsplash and any photo from the web. So in this way, we have now learned about the image tags as well as the anchor tag or the link tag. So in this way, and I will want to say you that if you have not accessed my web development playlist, then do access that. I will be uploading every video here only. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, and thank you for watching, guys. I will see you next time.